People ask me, what makes Beginning Today Lifestyle Wellness different than some of the other companies that you can hire? Well, I can turn. You bring me in, we customize the program to you and your company and what you want. Whether it's nutritional, spiritual, emotional, physical, we go through all of that, and then we focus on what is really clicking and hitting for the employees, and of course for management that brings me in. We play, it's fun, it's interactive. They have an active part of being there. There's handouts that we work together on, and when they feel like they matter, then they take their job and they elevate it to their work family. Suddenly they own a part of it. Suddenly they're a part of it. They feel like their opinion matters.